Hello everyone, it's your boy, you all know today, Junior, and we are finally reacting to something different. Yes, if you have seen our other reaction videos, we mostly react to Piper, Raquel's videos, or her best friends. We'll just be reacting to that. But now, we are finally reacting to something different. We will be reacting to ActionKoopaMovies. If you don't know who he is a YouTuber who makes plush videos they're mostly about Lemmy. And we are going to react to one of them today. Well, actually, this is his newest video that got uploaded today. It's called All Hail Bowser Jr. And before we get started on this video might be only for 13 and up. Anyways, I just want to tell you that. And before we get into this reaction vid, make sure you go follow our Instagram account in the comment section below and subscribe to my other channels as well. And if you haven't seen this original video, be sure to check that out first. But if you have seen this video, make sure you enjoy it. Let's get started on this one. Wait. Be sure to check the volume is good. Yep. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. That was very dope.
Stop screaming! Why are you
What
screaming?
What in the heck? Why do I sound like that? And there's Lemmy right there, but why do I sound like that? I'm pretty sure that doesn't sound like me, but okay then. Let's continue.
Wait a minute.
Wait a second.
It's you. This is my castle. Bow
Wait.
down to me. Bow down to me. No!
What do you mean, your castle, Junior? What exactly do you mean it's your castle? And why does he keep on doing this? Just one. Oh, that's Roy. Oh, shoot. FNAF references.
What the hell is going on, Lemmy?
I don't know, Roy.
That's actually a pretty good Lemmy and Roy
Why
voice.
isn't he trying to kill us?
I don't know.
How did he even get out of jail?
I don't know.
That's
Oh, wait.
the exact same thing. Is that freaking Stewie?
Holy moly.
What? What is it?
Roy, I think he's from the past.
The past?
Whoa!
See, me and Stewie went on this adventure and blah, blah, blah. Long story short, we broke reality. And I think he's a junior from the past.
Dude, that's dope. What the?
Dude, get him out of here. He's totally bloomy and catty-wonkus.
Wait, think about it.
You know there's another Junior right here, you know.
So, he can be our friend. Yeah.
Good idea, Lemmy.
Hey, do you want to be friends?
Wait, why do you ask that
Yeah.
question, Lemmy?
I can be the friend. Okay. See, Roy? That easy.
I don't
Wow.
trust
That's
that,
the boy
Junior.
stuff.
Come on, Junior. Yes, the boy stuff.
Junior, you're
I
so
don't
funny.
trust this
Isn't he,
man.
Lemmy?
Yeah.
Hey, listen, Junior. I'm sorry.
Bad
I
mistake,
thought
guys.
you were totes, Bluebeard, Cattywampus, but you're cool, man.
Why are you crying? Stop crying!
And
I love you too, man.
can you stop
Oh,
doing
boy,
that?
don't cry. I'll do the Lemmy dance.
What?
Look at
Lemmy
me. I'm dancing.
Lame.
Banished to, Brazil. You're going to Brazil.
You're hilarious, Junior.
Brazil?
Roy, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, you should talk
What?
to him.
Him or me?
What are you talking about?
You think Junior's so funny, and you obviously like him more than me. Do you not see the double standard here?
Lemmy, I'm not picking favorites.
No, Roy. This is the only way. So who's it gonna be? Him or your own brother?
Oh,
Goodbye, Lemmy.
jeez, Roy, okay.
You'll regret this.
Sorry about the noise outside. Yeah, I do not trust that laugh at all. I can tell something bad is gonna happen very soon. That Junior is just creepy right there. I know that Junior's from the past and everything, but he just seems off. Anyway, let's continue. 2 weeks later. Is that
Okay,
a freaking
Junior,
pizza
let's make a
lunchable?
pizza. One for you and one for me. Come on, Junior, just put stuff on your pizza. Like this.
Roy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Disgusting! You snob! The king shall punish you now.
Uh-oh.
Know your place. Roy, I'm sorry. Can you let me back in?
He's not there, Lemmy.
Open up.
Lemmy, run. Run! It's Junior! Oh my god.
Baba Booey.
No,
What the?
no witnesses. Seize him. Wait.
What happened? Lemmy,
Hey,
run.
what's your deal? You refuse to be under my rule.
Wait,
Now
Roll?
you will become one of us. One of us? Don't worry. The ritual will start shortly.
Lemmy,
Ritual?
run.
Oh crap. I
Run!
really have to get out of here. Oh, I got it. I can use my super ninja reflexes to unlock the door. Yeah. I saw it in a movie
You
once.
should do that, man.
Ah. Here goes nothing.
Wow, okay then. Oh, the magical hand. Oh, triggered. Run, boy.
Here's Johnny.
Johnny?
They're everywhere.
They're all juniors around here, Lemmy. Oh, shoot.
No, please. No mercy.
Oh, dude. Dude. Oh my god. Oh, Nad. But don't worry, this will end soon. Alright, let's continue. that is it? That is the whole video? That was interesting. That was very interesting to say at the least, because there were a lot of juniors going after Lemmy, and in the end, they got him. I hope Lemmy stays safe after that incident. Well, anyways, that's gonna end off the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. And do not forget to follow our Instagram account in the description below. And do not forget to subscribe to my other channels for the awesomest new videos. Well, anyways, I guess I'll be going now. Stay terrific, y'all. Peace out, guys.